Discover a secret strategy that can help you earn up to $3,000 every month through affiliate marketing using the power of AI. And the best part? It won't cost you a penny, as I'll show you how to generate free traffic. With the help of AI, you don't need any special training or technical skills. All you need to do is follow these 3 simple steps and stick around until the end of the video, because the third step is a game changer. Let's begin. Step 1. The first step is to find a product to promote. You must have heard people suggesting you promote high-selling products so you can make good sales, but whenever you tried it as a beginner, it didn't work. It is because this method is wrong. The product becomes oversaturated when the competition gets too high, so you don't make any sales. Remember to promote new products that are not too popular. It will increase the chances of people purchasing your products. You will see great results by following this tip. Now to choose products, I will use Clickbank. Go to clickbank.com and sign in. Once you have signed in, click Marketplace on the top. Now click on New Offers. You will see a list of products here. These are all trending and new products that have less competition. As people are more curious about emerging products, they will definitely buy these products. To filter out the highly converting ones from the list, select gravity high to low, and as you will see, the most money-making products are on the top. Click on the product that you want to promote and copy its title. Then paste it on Google. If you notice, you will find all the links related to this product. Someone has uploaded a Medium article about the product and has written a bunch of points. At the end, there is a product link for people so they can purchase it. This is one of the best ways to promote a product. People will read the article and get interested in the product. No doubt Medium is a great platform. Here is a Reddit post about this product as well. As you can see, people are using various platforms to market this product, which means there is good potential. So whenever a new product comes out, people start uploading different kinds of content like articles and reviews to promote their affiliate link. This is how they drive free traffic. Since Google is one of the top search engines, people would search for the product name and see all the links of various websites like Pinterest, Reddit, Medium, or LinkedIn about the same product. After clicking them, they will be convinced to purchase the product and will finally click on the affiliate link to purchase the product. Imagine how much money you can make through this with zero money invested. Step 2. My next step is to market these products. As I told you before, there are many platforms you can use to create content. However, I suggest you create video format content. Why? Because video content is highly converting. People are more satisfied when they watch a 10-minute video about a product with a detailed review rather than read an entire article. This is why posting video content can be a game changer in marketing your products. Don't worry. You don't have to record yourself in front of a camera, as I am going to share an easy way with you. You can actually make faceless videos with the help of AI. It will create amazing videos, including visuals, music, and voiceover. You will be able to attract a massive audience through quality videos. The AI tool is called InVideo AI. I have attached the link in the description below, but before you click on it, let me show you how you will create the videos. Go back to the Medium article and copy it. I won't do anything illegal by stealing someone's work. I will reword the whole article and make it plagiarism-free with ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and add a prompt like "Rewrite this article in the writing style of Justin Goff." If you don't know Justin Goff, he is one of the best copywriters whose writing is highly converting and compelling. Add another sentence to put a few calls to action in the article to click on the link in the description to get the product. When the article is written in his style, it will surely convince people to purchase the product. After that, I will copy the entire revised article by ChatGPT and visit InVideo AI. Simply click on the link I provided in the description, and you will be directed to this screen. Simply write a sentence on the prompt box, such as "Create a 10-minute video from this article," and paste the whole article. Then click on Generate. Now it will turn the article into a video. It will then ask a few things. The first thing we have to choose is the audience. Next is how the video should look and feel. Last, it asks for the platform on which you decide to upload the video. After selecting your desired preference, click on Continue. This AI tool only took a few minutes to create a video. You can watch the video to see the magic of AI.
A life where you can savor every moment, unshackled by financial constraints. Imagine a world where your ambitions of accumulating wealth are not just dreams, but a reality.
As you can see, the video is amazingly done with a human-like voiceover and great visuals. It just needs a little editing. If you want to replace the stock photos in the video, write the product name on the search bar, choose a picture, and click Apply. To remove the watermark from the video, you will need to subscribe to a paid plan of InVideo AI. Now click on Export and the video is ready to use. Step 3. This step is the most important. In this step, I will show you where to post the video and how to monetize it. For that, go to YouTube and upload the video. Add a nice logo and a banner to make the audience think you are a genuine YouTube channel. Adding an excellent thumbnail to your video is also essential to attract the audience. How can you make these? I suggest you use Kittle.com, which is an excellent graphic designing AI tool. Its library has plenty of amazing designs that you can use to make your channel stand out from others. I have provided the link in the description. Click on it and then click on Try Kittle for free. It will direct you to its dashboard. Then on the search bar, type YouTube logos, which will give you hundreds of logos to choose from. If you want a specific logo, type it and you'll get plenty of options. Choose one and customize it accordingly with your channel's name. Download it and use it. Repeat the same for the channel banner. Once you have found all the graphics, upload them to your channel. Click on Create and pick the video. Add a title for the video and explain what the video is about in the description box. You can also use ChatGPT for this. Here, you must add the affiliate link for the product. Go back to Clickbank and click on Get Affiliate Link. Copy it and paste it into the description box. In the last, click on Publish. Your video will be uploaded, and with the nice setup of your channel, you will attract a large audience. This is the plan that could potentially help you earn up to $1,000 a week. Using AI, affiliate marketing has become simple and rewarding. With no hard work, you can enjoy the money being made online. I hope you have understood the whole video and haven't skipped any part. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this video useful, I've got a little gem waiting for you right on the screen. It's like finding a hidden treasure in the world of making money online. Just click on it and let's embark on another adventure together. Trust me, it's going to be a journey worth every second of your time.